Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some door handle ideas. Choosing a style for your home. If you are looking for inspiration for your home decor, look no further than our door handle style. Guides in home decor inspiration regardless of your style choices. The overall image of the room and the small little details are all equally important. Whether you are planning something new for your entire property or just one room, we have got style ideas to help point you in the right direction. The small touches throughout your room are just as important as the furniture, wall, and carpets are. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Press the bell icon to stay connected with more and more videos. Adding perfectly thought out small touches like door handles, cabinet, knobs, and even socket can finish a room off in perfect style. If you want to add some new door handles or cabinet handles to your room that complement your decor but don't really know where to start, why not explore some popular finish choices such as peter door handle, black cabinet handles, golden handles, bronze handles, door handles, and black socket too. Here is a silver door handle and lot of handles you can choose by your own choice. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.